Ready to take full control of your Fiverr community and streamline its management? Discover how assigning specific roles to members can help you efficiently moderate, grow, and empower your community. As your Fiverr community flourishes, managing all the content and members can become a big task. That's where Fiverr's powerful role management system comes in handy. By promoting trusted members to admin or super admin, you can delegate responsibilities, maintain order, and ensure your community thrives. So first, go to your community. Then, swipe left and scroll down to the part where it shows members. To add someone as an admin, tap and hold on the username until a small options prompt opens up. There, tap on Add as Admin. To add someone as super admin, you need to first make sure they're an admin. Then, you tap and hold on the username again, and in the options menu that pops up this time, you should be able to see an option labeled Add as Super Admin. And there you go. If you found this video helpful, be sure to go on and hit the like and subscribe buttons. That's a small action from you that helps make a big difference for us. And as always, feel free to comment your experience down below. See you soon. Bye bye.